Losing fat as a woman is not just about eating less or working out harder. Hormones, stress, slow metabolism, and stubborn belly fat all make weight loss more challenging. You're constantly told to change your lifestyle, cut calories, and follow strict diets. But what if real fat loss actually starts with the foods you eat every single day? In this video, I'm revealing the top fat-burning foods women should eat daily to naturally boost metabolism, control cravings, balance hormones, and help your body burn fat efficiently. These are foods that work with your body, not against it. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat to support sustainable fat loss. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most effective fat-burning foods for women because they provide high-quality protein and healthy fats that directly support metabolism. Protein increases the thermic effect of food, meaning your body burns more calories digesting it compared to carbohydrates or fats. This helps increase daily calorie burn without any extra effort. Eggs also help regulate hunger hormones like ghrelin, keeping you fuller for longer and reducing unnecessary snacking throughout the day. In addition, eggs are incredibly supportive for women's hormone health. They provide essential nutrients like choline, B vitamins, and vitamin D, all of which play a role in energy production and fat metabolism. Eating eggs regularly helps preserve lean muscle mass, which is critical for keeping metabolism strong as women lose weight. When you start your day with eggs, you naturally reduce cravings, stabilize blood sugar, and set your body into a fat-burning mode from the morning. Number 2. Avocados. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats that help reduce stubborn belly fat and improve insulin sensitivity. These healthy fats slow digestion, which keeps you satisfied for longer periods and prevents sudden blood sugar spikes that lead to fat storage. For women, this is extremely important because blood sugar fluctuations are closely linked to cravings, fatigue, and hormonal imbalance. Avocados also contain a high amount of fiber, which supports digestion and helps your body eliminate excess fat more efficiently. Despite being calorie-dense, avocados actually support weight loss by reducing overall calorie intake throughout the day. Women who include avocados regularly tend to feel more satisfied after meals, experience fewer cravings, and maintain better appetite control, making fat loss feel much more natural and sustainable. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating content like this for you. Number 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a powerful fat-burning food for women because it delivers a high amount of protein with very little sugar, which is critical for weight loss. Protein increases the thermic effect of food, meaning your body burns more calories digesting it. This naturally boosts metabolism throughout the day. Greek yogurt also helps preserve lean muscle mass during fat loss, which is extremely important for women because muscle keeps metabolism active and prevents weight regain. Beyond protein, Greek yogurt plays a major role in gut health due to its probiotics. A healthy gut improves digestion, reduces bloating, and enhances nutrient absorption, all of which directly affect fat loss. Poor gut health can lead to inflammation, hormonal imbalance, and stubborn belly fat. When women consume Greek yogurt regularly, they often notice reduced cravings, better appetite control, and a flatter stomach over time, making fat loss more consistent and sustainable. Number 4. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and arugula are essential for fat loss because they are extremely low in calories while being high in volume. This allows women to eat larger portions without overeating calories, which helps create a calorie deficit naturally. Their high fiber content slows digestion, promotes fullness, and reduces hunger between meals. In addition, leafy greens are loaded with essential micronutrients such as magnesium, iron, potassium, and antioxidants. These nutrients support energy production, reduce fatigue, and improve insulin sensitivity, all critical for burning fat. Leafy greens also help lower inflammation and support detoxification pathways in the liver, making it easier for the body to release stored fat instead of holding onto it. Number 5. Salmon. Salmon is one of the most effective fat-burning foods for women due to its high content of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and lower cortisol levels, which is the stress hormone strongly linked to belly fat storage. Elevated cortisol makes fat loss extremely difficult for women, especially around the abdomen, and salmon directly helps counteract this effect. Salmon is also an excellent source of complete protein, which helps maintain lean muscle mass and increases metabolic rate. Protein keeps you full longer, reduces cravings, and prevents overeating. Regular consumption of salmon improves insulin sensitivity, supports hormonal balance, and helps the body switch into a fat-burning state rather than fat-storing mode. Number 6. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are ideal for fat loss because they are low in calories, yet rich in fiber and antioxidants. They have a low glycemic index, meaning they don't cause sharp blood sugar spikes that lead to insulin release and fat storage. This makes berries especially beneficial for women struggling with sugar cravings or hormonal weight gain. Berries also help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which can block fat loss at a cellular level. The fiber in berries slows digestion, increases satiety, and improves gut health. By satisfying sweet cravings naturally, berries help women avoid processed sugars while still enjoying flavorful foods that support metabolism and consistent fat burning. Number 7. Nuts. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, contain a powerful combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber that support fat loss when eaten in moderation. This combination slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and keeps hunger hormones under control. As a result, women feel fuller longer and are less likely to overeat. Nuts are also rich in essential fatty acids and micronutrients that support hormone production and reduce inflammation. For women, hormonal balance is critical for fat loss, especially during stressful periods. Regular nut consumption has been shown to improve metabolic health, enhance fat oxidation, and reduce cravings, making weight loss more manageable and sustainable. Number 8. Green tea. Green tea is one of the most researched beverages for fat loss because it contains catechins, powerful antioxidants that increase fat oxidation and calorie burning. These compounds stimulate the body to burn fat more efficiently, even while at rest. Green tea also contains a moderate amount of caffeine, which enhances metabolism without causing energy crashes. For women, green tea provides additional benefits, such as reduced bloating, improved digestion, and lower water retention. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels and supports hormonal balance. Drinking green tea daily is a simple habit that gently boosts metabolism and supports long-term fat loss without stressing the body. Number 9. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is rich in soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, which slows digestion and keeps blood sugar levels stable. This prevents insulin spikes that lead to fat storage and sudden hunger. Oatmeal also keeps women full for long periods, reducing the urge to snack or overeat later in the day. In addition, oatmeal provides steady, long-lasting energy that supports physical activity and daily movement, both essential for fat loss. It also improves gut health and supports appetite-regulating hormones. When women choose plain, whole oats without added sugar, oatmeal becomes a powerful daily tool for controlling calories and burning fat consistently. Number 10. Chili peppers. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, a natural compound that increases thermogenesis, the process by which the body burns calories to produce heat. This helps boost metabolism and increase calorie burn even when you're not exercising. Capsaicin also helps suppress appetite and reduce overall calorie intake. For women, chili peppers can be especially helpful in reducing cravings and improving fat oxidation. They also support circulation and digestion, which enhances nutrient delivery and metabolic efficiency. Even small amounts of chili peppers added regularly to meals can contribute to gradual, consistent fat loss. Number 11. Apples. Apples are high in fiber and water, which makes them extremely filling while remaining low in calories. This helps control hunger, reduce snacking, and support calorie control throughout the day. Apples also slow digestion, preventing rapid blood sugar spikes that lead to fat storage. Apples contain natural compounds that support gut health and improve fat metabolism. For women, apples are a convenient, portable snack that helps curb sweet cravings without triggering energy crashes. Eating apples regularly supports digestion, appetite control, and steady fat loss over time. Fat loss doesn't require extreme dieting. It starts with smarter food choices. If you consistently include these foods in your daily routine, your body will naturally burn more fat, control cravings, and feel more energized. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss powerful health and fat-burning content. See you in the next video.